Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting right now. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. Once there, find VoiceOver under Vision. This is the control that's speaking. Tap VoiceOver to open its page and locate the main toggle at the top. You'll see descriptive options below. Ignore them for the moment. Once done, you're ready to switch it off. Make sure you perform the next steps deliberately, because VoiceOver changes how taps and swipes behave on the screen. On the VoiceOver page, flip the main toggle to off. Confirm any dialog that asks if you want to disable speech. If touch gestures feel different while you try this, remember VoiceOver uses different gestures. Tap once to select, double tap to activate. Alternatively, open Control Center and tap the accessibility icon or ask Siri, turn off VoiceOver. Once disabled, the screen should respond normally. If it doesn't, move on. Now test basic navigation. Tap an app once, then tap again to open. If it opens on the first tap, VoiceOver is off. Make sure sound and spoken feedback have stopped. If not, restart your iPhone to clear lingering processes. If gestures still behave oddly, use Siri and say, turn off VoiceOver as a quick fallback. Troubleshooting tip: if physical buttons or gestures don't work, connect to iTunes/Finder on a computer and toggle VoiceOver from there, or restore settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.